Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is My Life Leads and I am Priya. Welcome to my new vlog, and this is early morning where I am out for a jog. I can sense the beauty of entire nature, its breeze, its air, its soothing sounds, the chirping of birds and colorful flowers that makes me so happy and sensible throughout. I had ordered few groceries from Big Basket. I need to arrange them, few veggies that I have to keep them, as well as I need to clean them. So I'm here doing all those work early morning, which makes me very happy and very active. Arranging the groceries, refilling them, keeping in its own places needs lot of patience, and thank God that women are blessed with a lot of patience and tolerance. Life is always changing and it is very much flexible too. So women need to adjust with the change, with the flexible area, with the flexibility. She needs to develop patience, tolerance, perseverance, empathy, good relationships with the homely members and with the others, with the relatives and with friends. So likewise, she need to build patience and so on. That's why she is very courageous woman. I'm not saying that only women are blessed with these things, but the man too are in his own way of patience, tolerance, empathy, and gaining all kinds of flexibility in their area. I would like to keep the veggies in a box than in any other cover plastics, because it keeps the veggies fresh or last longer for 4 to 5 days. So that makes me happy to use them, and it looks fresh when I take it out from the fridge. These green chilies need shower so that they go into the fridge safely by cleansing themselves. Here is my son Aiden, just woke up and he just need my attention as well as a hug. So he was waiting for me to come and give him a tight hug. I consider this time is a beautiful moment where we can cherish in the future too, because as they grow they don't want us to hug them, they run away from hugging. But right now they want our attention, our feel of touch, our feel of love. They really need it. When we are along with them at this time, they feel really secure and we feel happy being a parents. This is the time we come closer and closer to each other, and that bond builds within us. I don't know why today he was very lazy to have by himself, so he wanted me to feed him. I had lot of work to do of the house or chores, so I could not shoot more than that. And it is afternoon now. I had cooked delicious veg pulao with some egg roast, and it was too delicious. He woke up very early in the morning, so slept very early. This is very cute, isn't it? Time is just flying and it is just evening now. It's our best evening tea time and we are watching Anupama. As I said, whatever I watch, my son also will be watching, and he loves Anupama serial, and he wakes up and whenever he sees the phone, he says Anupama serial. Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great, and I'm doing great. I was craving for dahi pulke, so I thought I went out to buy a gold, but I couldn't take any kind of videos over there. Coming back, I saw a chart. I thought I'll go and have. I will get only around 4 or 5. Instead of, I'll make it at home and we'll have as we want, and then I can serve to my family too. So I'm making that one now. Now I made here imli chutney. Okay, sweet imli chutney I made, and here are pani puri ka pulke puris. Then what else? Yeah, this much I have made. Now I'm going to eat it. I have dahi. I have to chop onion. I have to chop tomato, coriander little, and I have to mix it and keep, and we will. Oh, first I'll meet you there. Okay. Wow, it's dinner time now. My little one is feeding me after his food. Whatever is left over, he just come and feed me. So lovely it is to have a bite from his hand. With this, I thank you for watching my video. Hope you subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next vlog. Thank you so much.